The Karnataka power play intensifying with Congress top leadership to hold a crucial round of internal discussions this evening. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, KC Venugopal and Randeep Surjewala are expected to finalize the strategy. Priyanka Gandhi could also be there. Only after that will Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar be brought into the second round of talks. Both leaders may be summoned to Delhi perhaps tomorrow. So far, no word yet, as you know, our reporters in Bengaluru have been saying. The Congress president, remember, did acknowledge the crisis yesterday, declaring that Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and he will be resolving this crisis. Kharge also said that he will be summoning both DK Shivkumar and Mallikarjun Kharge to Delhi. That's what he had said earlier, and today will be that meeting that we're expecting. But let's return now to Ankit for more. And Ankit, so much happening, you know, on both camps with the, supporters, the ministers, all their meetings being held. As Deepak just told us, one group plans to even come to Delhi. They want to have a chance to say their piece as well. But the Congress party, once again has allowed this to simmer way too long, and it's something that has to be wrapped up before the parliament session begins or the assembly session in the first week of December there in Bengaluru.
That's right, Gargi. But also, let's also try and understand whether it is by design or is it just the inability of the Congress leadership to try and keep things under the lid. Because this is not the first time that we are seeing a 2.5-year problem or an itch as far as the Congress party is concerned. If these promises were made, then at this moment, who's trying to arm twist the Congress leadership? That is something that is literally very, very interesting. And while these ministers are planning to come to Delhi, who knows, there could be a dark horse earlier as well, when initially there was delay in announcing the chief ministerial candidate. Mr. G. Parmeshwara had also put in thrown his hat in the ring. There could be other leaders as well. But while we are speaking here, as the meeting on Bihar is going on, it's a big meeting, about 75 odd people led by Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi. As far as this meeting is concerned, would there be a meeting today? That remains to be a big question, because why I'm asking that is because Randeep Surjewala, the General Secretary in charge of Karnataka, is not in the national capital, and Sonia Gandhi is also travelling abroad. I'll just very quickly call my colleague Jainendra, who is tracking what is happening inside. Jainendra, सबसे पहली बात तो ये बताइए कि क्या ये जो मीटिंग की बात लगातार हो रही है, क्राइसिस है, ये मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे ने खुद माना है. उन्होंने कहा भी है कि क्राइसिस है और इसी वजह से उनको बुलाना पड़ेगा. अब क्या होगा? क्या यहाँ पर राहुल गांधी बैठे हुए हैं, उनके साथ केसी वेणुगोपाल हैं? क्या कुछ इनफॉर्मल बातचीत होगी? कब एक फॉर्मल बातचीत, कब ये इसका चीजें आगे बढ़ने की उम्मीद लग रही है?
देखिए, हमारे टॉप सोर्सेज ये बता रहे हैं कि अभी जबकि बिहार को लेकर मीटिंग हो रही है, बिहार की रिव्यू हो रही है, बिहार रिजल्ट्स की, इस मीटिंग के बाद हो सकता है, सोर्सेज कह रहे हैं कि मे बी हो सकता है कि अगर समय रहेगा तो राहुल गांधी, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और केसी वेणुगोपाल, जो जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, ये तीनों कर्नाटका को लेकर के बैठ सकते हैं. हालांकि एक बार जब बिहार की मीटिंग खत्म होगी तभी हम इसको कहने की पोजीशन में होंगे कि वो मीटिंग हुई या नहीं हुई. लेकिन अगर अभी आज मीटिंग नहीं भी होती है तो भी आने वाले 1 से 2 दिनों में इसको लेकर के गंभीर मंथन दिल्ली में होने वाला है. रणदीप सुरजेवाला, जैसा आपने बताया दर्शकों को कि वो दिल्ली में आज नहीं है, उनका भी इस मीटिंग में होना जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये जो 2.5 साल का जो शेयरिंग का अग्रीमेंट है, ये हमारे सोर्सेज बता रहे हैं कि ये जब एक इनफॉर्मल बातचीत में सिद्धरमैया ने ये कहा था कि अभी मैं बनता हूं, बाद में हम आगे रास्ता खोलेंगे, उस मीटिंग में सुरजेवाला भी थे. तो ऐसे में सुरजेवाला का भी मीटिंग में होना जरूरी है. चूंकि आज वो नहीं है, इसलिए एक फॉर्मल मीटिंग आज नहीं होने जा रही है, लेकिन ये अगले 1 से 2 दिन में इसको लेकर के गंभीरता से मंथन होगा. क्योंकि देखिए, एक तो पार्लियामेंट सेशन शुरू हो रहा है 1 तारीख से, और सेकेंड वीक ऑफ दिसंबर से असेंबली सेशन शुरू हो रहा है बेंगलुरु में. इसके पहले ये 1 हफ्ते का डेडलाइन है कांग्रेस लीडरशिप के पास. अगर ये इस झगड़े को नहीं सुलझा पाए, बहुत एम्बैरेसमेंट होने वाली है असेंबली सेशन के दौरान. तो जाहिर सी बात है कि इसको लेके लीडरशिप,
सोनिया गांधी भी बाहर है, तो जैसी वो आएंगी उसके बाद, और उसी के बाद होगा कि वहां से मुख्यमंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री को यहां बुलाया जाए और उनसे बातचीत की जाए.
देखिए, मुझे लगता है कि सोनिया गांधी का रोल डिसीजन मेकिंग में नहीं, लेकिन जिसके खिलाफ डिसीजन होगा उसको मनाने के लिए किया जाएगा. तो सोनिया गांधी हालांकि 1 तारीख से पहले दुबई से वापस लौट आएंगी. माफ करिए, मुझे सब जगह नहीं बोलनी चाहिए थी. वो देश के बाहर है, वो देश में लौट आएंगी. जो भी इसमें डिसीजन होगा, या तो डीके को कहा जाए कि थोड़ा पेशेंस रखिए, कुछ महीने और, 2.5 नहीं तो 3-2 के फार्मूले पे मान जाइए, तो भी डीके को मनाने के लिए सोनिया गांधी को आगे आना होगा। और अगर सिद्धारमैया को कहा जाता है कि आपने लंबी पारी खेली, इनफैक्ट सिद्धारमैया को सोनिया गांधी ने ही चीफ मिनिस्टर बनाया था, तो उस रोल में सोनिया गांधी वो रोल निभा सकती है सिद्धारमैया को समझाने की कि अब आपका समय हो गया, आप 80 साल के हो जाएंगे अगले चुनाव तक, तो ऐसे में अब ये वक्त है कि हम जो कमान है वो डीके शिव कुमार को दे, जिनके लीडरशिप में कर्नाटका में कांग्रेस को इतनी बड़ी जीत मिली थी। तो सोनिया गांधी का वो रोल है अंकित, लेकिन उसके पहले डिसीजन करना होगा। दिक्कत इसमें यह है, मैं एक आखिरी बात कह दूं, धर्म संकट है। कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट खरगे का होम स्टेट है कर्नाटका। राहुल गांधी नहीं चाहते कि खरगे के होम स्टेट में वो अपनी ओपिनियन खुलकर दें, और वही दिक्कत खरगे के साथ भी है कि वो उनका होम स्टेट है। खरगे नहीं चाहते कि इसमें उनका बायस काम करे। ऐसे में वो चाहते हैं कि गांधी परिवार ये फैसला करे, और इसी के कारण से देरी हो रही है और ये इतना विवाद हो रहा है, और दोनों ग्रुप पीछे हटने को तैयार नहीं है। मामला बहुत सीरियस है, एक हफ्ते का डेडलाइन है और इसको जल्द से जल्द सुलझाना होगा।
That's some very important insights in how the Congress party is functioning as far as this entire crisis is concerned, as Janendra was telling us. See, understand, Mallikarjun Kharge comes from Karnataka, one of the tallest leaders in Karnataka, barring the 2019 election, never lost an election, the elections that he has fought, and his son is also a minister there. He was always seen as a dark horse who could have possibly become the chief minister, which he could not because of the power politics that Siddaramaiah was able to in fact play when the generational change in Karnataka also happened for the Congress party at that point of time. And Sonia Gandhi may or may not be as important when it comes to making the decision, because DK Shiv Kumar has time and again said that it was Mrs. Gandhi who came and met him when he was behind bars in Tihar in the Enforcement Directorate case, and for that he would always be going to be in fact indebted to her. So she's going to play the role of the pacifier when it comes to whosoever doesn't feel that the justice has been done to them. But while we are speaking about this, Gargi, continuously power play from each side, whether they are saying it openly or not, but their people ensuring that they are able to play their hand, who the aces at this moment are held by none other than Rahul Gandhi.
Right, Ankit, so let's just, take a moment, and all this information that we now have, it seems that formal meeting is not going to happen today. Ankit, if you can tell us, with Surjewala not present there, he was a part of that previous meeting where this formula was somewhat decided there about, 2.5 years and 2.5 years. So it seems that won't happen just now. A huge task for the Congress to really manage the fallout, and that's where you're saying Sonia Gandhi, that soft touch is going to come in. So just for our viewers, quickly tell us, what have we learned? Right now, there's going to be an informal meeting between KC Venugopal, Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Kharge?
Very quickly, let me recap what we discussed with Janendra. In fact, because Randeep Surjewala is not here, he's the General Secretary in charge of Karnataka, and every time there has been a crisis, he's the one who has either flown to Bengaluru or has met both the leaders. So till the time he's not present, a formal meeting cannot take place. But it's a crisis, it is brewing, and the optics of it are going to be detrimental for the Congress party in the Lok Sabha, in the Parliament session, and also in Karnataka. So there could be some discussions that can take place between Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge and KC Venugopal. Those are very, very important discussions. Bihar meeting is going on at this moment. We are told that it will carry on for another hour or so. After that, they might, in fact, have some sort of conversation around it. But a formal meeting is expected in a day or two. By 29th, in fact, is what we are learning, in which, Randeep Surjewala would also be part. And only after that meeting takes place, some sort of formula is at least clear in their head. What can they give? What can they give DK Shiv Kumar? What can be offered to Siddaramaiah if he has to vacate the seat? All those things, first the Congress leadership will have to in fact come to consensus with, and only then they can call the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and other top leaders of Karnataka to try and have a conversation with them and then try and devise a formula. One thing is very, very clear. There is an acknowledgement that there is a crisis that they are facing, at least a problem, whether it's internal, as every congressman would tell you, but this will become, as in politics, one thing is something which is more important than anything else is how you put your face forward, the optics of it. And they would not want to be embarrassed here in the national capital when the parliament session takes place, and also in the assembly session of Karnataka, which is going to take place in the first week of December. So next 4 to 5 days are going to be extremely crucial when it comes to the decision making as far as the Congress party is concerned over Karnataka, Gargi.
Right, and this crisis will continue continue for, at least a week longer. It seems a couple of days longer. Thanks so much, Ankit, for summarizing all the developments that we've learned so far in terms of this crisis that the Congress is facing in Karnataka. As Ankit said, so far, Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar have not got any word about coming to Delhi, though it was Mr. Kharge who did admit that there was a problem and he would be calling them to Delhi. Let's just listen in to what was said on that.
High Command has not called me. They called me, I will definitely go to the thank you. For High Command has not called me. They called me, I will definitely go to the thank you.
ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಕರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ 50 ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಕಾಪಡೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಂಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೊಂದು ಖಾಸಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದೆ. ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ये देखिए, मैं इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करता हूँ. उस चर्चे में राहुल गांधी भी रहेंगे और मेरे हमारे दूसरे मेंबर्स भी रहेंगे, सीएम भी रहेंगे और हमारे डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर रहेंगे. तो इन सबको बुला के चर्चा करने के बाद निर्णय होगा. हाई कमांड बोले तो टीम है, अकेला नहीं रहता, टीम है. जब हमारी पूरे हाईकमांड की टीम बैठ के चर्चा करके निर्णय लेगा.